So, February 8th, mid-morning report. Sorry for the huffing and puffing. I'm in the gym, but I thought it was important to kind of cover off where we are right now. So, 9 a.m. Mountain Time, 11 a.m. Eastern Time. Markets have been open for an hour and a half, and we're seeing that had some pretty big volatility in Valero right now. We've had a few peaks, and we're now down towards a bottom. This to me would be a perfect time to buy in and take a full or partial position, because if we look at what crude's doing today, crude is up $1.50, 2%. And unless it comes way back down, and it is coming down a little bit right now, but if it maintains that 2% peak, it's very likely that some of the other oil stocks will rebound if they're on a decline, which you can see here. Valero is definitely on a decline. Devon is near a peak, so I wouldn't touch Devon. I like Con Ed. They announced next week at the 88 range. I think 88, 82 is a great price. I think it'll get up to 91. So that could be a $2 or $3 move, depending on the upside. Enbridge announces very shortly, 46.25 is an attractive purchase price for Enbridge. CVX, I wouldn't touch it right now at 53. I love Valero right now in the low 141s because I think it'll go 142 and a half, maybe 143, hopefully by the end of the day today. Exxon is needing a climb. I would like to see this get to 106. I think at 103, it's an okay buy. I'd be happier at 101 for sure, and it's been down there recently quite a bit. I think MRO's got a lot of movement capability as well. Certainly off and not in line with crude right now, so it could bounce back. It's been as high as 28, 28.50 around earnings, so depending on what those look like, and those are coming up in 5 days, that thing could pop back. So that's where we are there. And then to recap where we are with ARM, I mean, ARM has exploded. What a fantastic purchase. I got out of this in the 107 range, so I certainly didn't hit the top. I missed out on the top and $10 or $15 of upside, but I'm super happy with a 48%, 45% gain, somewhere in that range. I think this is going to come down. I think we're going to see a correction at some point, and it's a great stock to buy in when it does correct. If you can get ARM under $100, I think it's a steal, and you'll be very happy by the end of the year if you just hold on to that. The lift in ARM is lifting up other semiconductors, so ON Semi is up. I think it is pretty attractive in the 79 range. I'm holding it still because I bought it well north of 79, and I'm underwater on that one, so looking for it to come back. I still think BABA's a good long-term hold. It's certainly not a buy and trade hold. So if you're looking to buy and trade, wouldn't get into BABA. Adobe, it's got a lot of movement in the 120 range. I'm not sure what it's going to do. I think it might get to 125 today, but it's an expensive stock for a $5 move. And that's kind of where we are. I wouldn't get into any of the regional banks right now. There's too much uncertainty about commercial mortgages and loans. So midday report. Hope